Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be telling you guys 5 ways of how to kind of avoid tedium and boredom over the time we're in right now. But before we get into that, make sure to go down there, like and subscribe, and yeah, let's get right into it. So guys, the first thing is to learn something new, and I know it's quite blunt, and you know, people might just be bored and want to sit on their ass all day, which is what I do, and I'm not changing that. But yeah, guys, it is quite a big thing because we will be away for quite a long time. You know, you gotta learn something new. You know, whatever it is, you could go outside, learn to kick with your left foot if you're playing football or rugby, or you could learn a new language. Stuff like that. It is really helpful. You know, you can even if you have work, you can learn something new to help you with work. God, how do I? So you just learn something new. Okay guys, the second thing is to play games, and I know that's quite obvious, but there's a lot of variety,
Variety.
Yeah guys, there's a lot of variety in gaming, and like maybe you've got a load of games and maybe you're only playing one game. You can go back, you can play other games as well, like this amazing epic T-Rex run game. Just look up dinosaur game and it comes up, and it's so fun. And yeah guys, say you haven't played Minecraft in a while, bang, you can go play Minecraft, get good at Minecraft. You've got enough time. What's your excuse gonna be? Oh, I don't have the time. Yes you do. Yes you do. Okay guys, the third thing is quite obvious, and you should be doing it anyway. If you're bored and you've learned a new language, you've learned to kick off your left foot, you've played all your games, just do the work. You know, like you want to go back to school or work, doing your work, and have done it. Because if you're in an important year and you'll need to have, like, if it's the year before GCSE, you need to know the stuff that was meant to be taught in that year. So you got to do the work, because when you go back and you're doing GCSE, you're going to be screwed. Okay guys, fourth one, quite obvious, just start a new series or film. Yeah, you can binge watch it, but if it's a long series, you know, it'll take a few days, and then you can move on to the next one. I don't care what you do. Watch the Harry Potter franchise again. I don't care. Watch Star Wars from the start to the end in the right order this time. And watch all the episodes of Peppa Pig and In the Night Garden. Hey guys, it's future me now, and I've only just realised that In the Night Garden there's 100 episodes per series. So yeah, maybe not do that. Okay guys, final one is to start something new. You can start a project, like a Jenga tower. You can build a Jenga tower all over again. Well, you can like make a new YouTube channel. You can make a new like Fortnite account or COD account, and you can start over and try get a win streak. You know, try achieve a goal on the new thing you start. So say you start a game, you're really bad at it, but you know, eventually you'll be amazing. So that means that, like me right now, I've played this game so long, but look how good I am now. Look how good I am. This is amazing. I'm gonna get so far with this, and I only started this 5 minutes ago. Well, all I can say is I got really far. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Please go down there, like and subscribe, and tell me anything else, comment down below, anything else you want me to do. It's good support has been recently, and make sure to subscribe. Do it now, you'll get 10 years of good luck, and if you don't want 10 years of good luck, what's the worst that can happen? You can just unsubscribe if you don't like those 10 years of good luck. But anyway guys, I will see you in the next one.